Hi, this is Marino from Instadeq. This is a quick update on a new small feature and a core idea that we can now show. The first part of the feature is that now the empty cell has 3 sections: cells, the thing we had before, examples, where you can load complete examples to learn and modify, and system, where we provide some extra information about us and about the licenses of the components we use. And the core idea that I wanted to mention is that on Instadeq, if something can be presented as data, we present it as data. Here, for example, if we click on open source licenses, we get a cell with a table with 2 columns, project and license, and a new data type, the link. Like we had colors on emojis, link is also a core data type. It has a title and a URL, and it works like any other value. You can use it on formulas, you can put it on tables, present it, and if you click it, you will open the link on a new tab. So as you can see, we present the open source licenses as a table. The about is small now and doesn't have a lot of information and is more unstructured, so we use a spreadsheet with one sheet called about. And what we can do with this, let's try doing an aggregation, because it's data after all. So imagine we want to see aggregate licenses, so we want to know how, which is the most used license. If we try to do this, if we want to count licenses by license, we will see that it's not grouped in MIT. That appears many times. This is because a link is equal to another one only if the text, that is the title, and the URL are the same. It doesn't have to be only the text, the title. So what we can do is we can create a new calculated field and call it title. Let's call it title, and we open the formula editor and we search for link, and we can see we have two new functions, link address and link title. So we select link title and drag the license field, and now we count by title, and now we have 6 times MIT and 1 BSD, 1 Apache and 1 Eclipse. And with this we can, for example, create a chart, license count by title. And now, using something boring that many applications have, we can use it as an example, or if we have a question about the licenses, we can do operations on them. It's not like a fixed custom built UI component, it's just like any other component of Instadeq. So now we can see that we use in total 9 libraries, and 6 of which are MIT. We can, for example, select pie chart if we want it, and we can put this on a dashboard if we want. We can track it internally, for example. So this was the introduction of the new layout for empty cell with 3 sections, and the linked core data type, and the idea of if something can be presented as data, it will be presented as data. So this was all for now, and if you have any questions, you can find me on social media. Bye.